Hi everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manotick, and I just wanted to show you some of the fun and unique products that we have in store. And we've just recently received our latest order of some of these really fun and quirky kitchen gadgets. So I just wanted to show you what we have. We have our lid sids that help your pots let off steam, our hike mics, which is like a little herb infuser you can use in your soups or your stews. Our red crab, he is a spoon holder and steam releaser. We also have these really cute yellow tulip tea infusers, really fun. Chill Bill is back in stock. He is a cute little penguin that you fill with baking soda, and he just helps keep the odors out of your refrigerator. We also have our little Nessie, our little Loch Ness Monster soup ladle, which is really fun. New in store is Al Dante. He is a spaghetti tester and steam releaser. Looks like a little fisherman. Really cute and fun. Our Hug Dugs. This one is a spoon saver, steam releaser, and cooking spoon. It comes with a spoon. We also have the Hug Dugs on their own, so just your little spoon saver. We have our June spoons, which is a adjustable spoon holder that comes in red or white. Our carrot peelers, we have the 2-pack or a single. And this is also back in stock, really popular. It's called a Splatipus. It is a little spatula and a little jar scraper. Really fun. Our Fixie, which is our bicycle pizza cutter. Again, we have it in Stardust, back in stock. Also new is the Sunny Side. It's a little egg form to make some really cute breakfasts or your fried eggs. Lots of fun. And then we have our pancake mold as well. So everything that you're seeing here is available in store or online at ligonline.ca. So feel free to check out the website or pop by in store.